Using a universal adapter in Europe is incredibly straightforward. Today, I'll guide you through the process. Here's what you need to do. Firstly, check the voltage of your device. Most gadgets are dual voltage and can work on both 220V and 110V current. However, some US appliances operate only on a 110V power network, whereas the current in Europe is 220V. For these gadgets, you'll need a step-down voltage converter or power transformer. Next, acquire a universal travel adapter. This device can convert most international power plugs, such as those from the UK, US, and Australia, into a European power outlet. While most European countries use the Schuko power plug, there are exceptions like Italy and Switzerland, which have their own outlets. The universal travel adapter covers these variations as well. Once you have the adapter, secure it to your device's plug using electrical or duct tape. This precaution prevents it from getting left behind in the outlet, especially since many sockets in Europe are recessed into the wall. Ensure the adapter is small enough so that the prongs sit properly in the socket.